Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. This is lesson number 12, measurement part 2. In the previous video we have seen the measurement of length, how the length is measured and what is its unit. Its unit is in increasing order. We have seen millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter and 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter and 1000 meters is equal to kilometers. So for measuring the length we use this unit. Okay. Now today we will continue this lesson with measurement of weight. Okay children. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. Here we have seen the length is measured in meter, centimeters and meters. But weight is measured in grams and kilograms. For example, if you buy fruits, mostly solids, grains, rice, pulses, these things you buy in grams and kilograms, right? Dry fruits, spices, mostly edible items we buy in grams and kilograms. A beam balance and an electronic balance are used to measure weight. See children, have you seen this type of beam balance and electronic balance which mostly the vegetable seller or fruit seller or in the supermarkets they use this measuring balance for measuring edible items, food items, isn't it? So this is beam balance and this is electronic balance. They are used to measure weight, to check the weight of fruits and vegetables, to check the weight of spices, and for the small quantities this electronic balance is used. Benny and Aman run to the grocery shop. They pick up of 1 kg sugar, half kg of white flour and 100 grams of corn flour. Weight of all solid things is measured in grams. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. Okay, what is the smallest unit of weight? It is milligram. Okay, the milligrams, grams and kilograms. 1 kg sugar, it means it is 1000 grams. Okay, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram and its units are milligram, grams, kilograms. Aman chooses some mangoes at the fruit seller's shop. He said, please give me 4 mangoes. So, no, says the fruit seller. When Aman asked 4 mangoes, so fruit seller, he said, no, I sell them by weight. In the number, we cannot take mangoes or any other fruit. We cannot take in number. We have to take by weight. So shopkeeper, this fruit seller said, I sell them by weight. How much do you want? 1 kilogram or more you want? So Aman asks him to weigh 4 mangoes. Then still Aman is saying he wants 4 mangoes. They measure the 4 mangoes and give me. So they weigh 1 kilogram and 400 grams. So when these 4 mangoes, the fruit seller, when he weigh it, so it was 1 kilogram and 400 grams. Vegetables and fruits are weighed in kilograms. Okay, I hope you understood children. How do we measure the weight of food items or any solid item, fruits or vegetables, spices or other things? Okay, now we will see measurement of volume and capacity. So what is this volume? Here we have seen the distance and the length is measured by meter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Here we have seen solids are weighed in grams, milligrams and kilograms. So how are the liquids measured? They are measured in volume, quantity or volume of liquids. Quantity or volume of liquids such as milk, oil and kerosene is measured in liters. So the volume and capacity of liquids is measured by liters. Okay. Measuring cylinders, beakers and cans are used to measure the quantity or volume of liquids such as milk, oil and kerosene. So you might have seen at dairy shops the curd and milk, they measure in some measuring cylinders or measuring beakers. They measure and they give us 1 liter milk or 2 liters milk or half liter curd, like that. Not only this, but cream, paneer, these all, not paneer, cream and curd, milk, buttermilk, they give in liters. Even oil and kerosene also they give in liters. You often see bottles of packaged water in different sizes such as 1 liter bottle, 2 liter bottles. Yes, mineral water bottles we get in 1 liters, 2 liters, 5 liters and 20 liters. We can say that the bottles have a capacity of 1 liter and 2 liters respectively. So just by seeing the bottle we can say yes, this is 1 liter bottle, this is 2 liter bottles and more. So capacity is a measure of the quantity or volume of liquid container can hold. So that container will be made in such a way that it can hold 1 liter of milk or 1 liter of water or 5 liters of water. So by seeing the container also we can say what is the quantity of that liquid. Okay, small amounts of liquids are measured in liters. 100 milliliters make 1 liter. Small amounts of liquids are measured in milliliters. Small amounts, very small amount if you want to buy, so it measures in milliliters. Okay. Children, you might have seen the syrups which doctor gives to the small children. So doctor prescribed to take these syrups in milliliters. So measuring lead will be there with the syrup bottle. So by measuring that we give the children like 2.5 ml or 5 ml or 1.5 ml medicine syrup. So that is also liquid and we measure it in milliliters because we have to give it in very less quantity. We can't give in liters or milliliters, liters or any other measurement. We have to give it in milliliters. Okay, so 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. It means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay children, this is all about measuring the liquids, their volume of liquids is measured in liters. Okay, that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.